The file list, which is located on the left-hand menu here, is where you can upload files and images you want on your page. We always suggest uploading files and images to the file list first, as this saves switching between page and file list back and forth. We also recommend ensuring these three tick box options are ticked. They are Extended View, Display Thumbnails and Show Clipboard. Let's look at a folder with some files inside it. So we can see what the file name is and what type of file it is by the icon here. We can see when it was last modified, the size, and how many times it was referenced on the site. We can also click into that number to see exactly where that file or image is referenced. And we can click into that content element to edit it directly from this view. We also have action buttons where we can edit, rename, delete, and even copy and cut, so we can move it into different folders. If you want to perform an action on multiple files or images, we can use the multi-selection mode, also known as clipboard, to select multiple files or images. So within this clipboard content block, we can click clipboard, where we will see checkboxes, where you can click to select multiple images or files to perform a certain action, such as delete. Please ensure that you keep your file list organized and make sure that you only store the files and images you need for your page, section or site, as this will keep the overall site size down, which will aid in the performance of the overall site.